How to get YouTube monetization quick. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to get YouTube monetization quick. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to get monetized, you need to have ads on your channel. To do that, you just need to head over in this and head over to your YouTube studio. So just click that YouTube studio, or you can just type in studio.youtube.com in order to head over to your dashboard. And in here on the left corner, you can see here a lot of things. So in here, if you click on this earn right here, as you can see, you can become a partner with YouTube programs, earn money, creator support, and more. So the benefits include page ads, membership, shoppings, supers, short feeds ads. So in here, you can join by reaching the requirements to apply. So the requirements are having 1,000 followers. And then one of the following is either 4,000 public watch hours in the last 1 year or 365 days, or to have one public shorts view in the last 90 days that has 10 million shorts view. So you can click on this email me right here if you have actually reached these requirements. So once you have reached it, then you can apply for a monetization review. So in order to apply, you first need to make sure that you don't have any copyright on any videos that you have. So you can see that by clicking on this copyright right here. And if you have any videos that has any copyright, they will appear here, and you may have been taken down by their YouTube actual support. So make sure that you don't have any copyright, because copyright can ruin a channel. So the next thing is to understand YouTube Shorts. So as you can see in here under earn, it's actually a requirement. So you can have a shorts that has 10 million views, because shorts ads generally revenues a lot of money, so it is quite good. So as you can see right here, you can see short speeds ads. So if you click on learn more right here, you can see that you can earn revenue from ads that run in between videos in short speeds. So whenever an ad runs after a video, then you can earn after that. So the next thing that you can have is to just wait for your channel to meet these requirements and click on this email me right here. Then turn on this complete basics, and you need to pass channel reviews and submit your application right here in order to apply to the application process. So that's the whole progress. I hope this video helped you to get YouTube monetization quick. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.